Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast and you
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this wig from RPGSHOW Hair. I am partnering with them again to show you this beautiful wig that they sent me. This is a 13x6 lace frontal, glueless lace frontal wig. As you can see in the last clip, you get a lot of parting space so that you can get very deep side parts. I love that it's a 13x6. I just feel like with 13x4 wigs, you can't really get that super realistic look, so I just love how the parting space goes all the way back. I'll show you guys in a second how far it goes back. Also, you guys will get a close-up very soon of the glueless effect of this wig. You do not need glue, gel, or hairspray to install this wig because it does have elastic bands like I showed you guys. But yeah, just look at that parting space, how far the part goes back. I just love that. Also, if you guys are wondering what I had on the wig, it was like some scalp tape to make the part look more realistic. It wasn't sent with the wig, so I don't really want to talk about it too much, but I feel like you can just find this stuff on like Amazon or wherever. But look at this wig. It is an 18 inches, 200% density, so like I love the fullness of this wig. It was just so nice. I did wash it this time before installing it just because I wanted to get I wanted to start with like a flat base and get the curls that I really wanted, because the wig does come styled already with curls, so I wanted to just start with the hair fresh and clean and just get the style that I really wanted. So yeah, I showed you guys the glueless effect in the last clip. You guys will see whenever I go to cut the lace off how it just blends in effortlessly with my skin tone. I did not even add makeup to this wig actually, so it was just beautiful. I love how it turned out. The hair was so silky and smooth and just full, and I love the little curtain bang pieces in the front. I just really love that. Like, I love curtain bangs. I'm obsessed with them. But all in all, this wig was amazing. I wouldn't expect anything less from RPGSHOW. You guys know they're the bomb. I love them. So I'm going to have everything linked down below in the description box for you guys if you guys want to check them out. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. It would mean so much to me. I'm going to let you guys go ahead and just finish watching me curl this wig. I did some beautiful body wave type curls. You guys are going to see how pretty they turned out. I love them. Like, oh, this wig was beautiful. But yeah, I'm just going to let you guys go ahead and keep watching because it's pretty repetitive. And thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I don't know if I said that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my tell him this. Did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my tell him this. Did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my all summer, all summer, $4-5 in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the store when I was like we planted. Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my tell him this. Did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums. We took both, we took both, we took both, we took both. Born in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got status, excuse my manners, I got status, I got status, you want status, see more comments, and I see commas, they going down me, we going down to, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, spirit is on us, spirit is Donda, God's time can't fit on the wrist, Junior wanna have me on my move out of the way of my release, trying to get me off my cues and piss, why can't losers never lose in peace, ain't nobody around me losing sleep, better find God before he find me, tell the devil good night, go to sleep. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, right and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, moonlight, all the niggas round me, right and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw, way that I've been living unconventional, I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know, certain things have started getting tense up, think we need to have a sun adventure, I could be a man but maybe down the road, right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome, rather see my heart turn crystal, I can't even front like I don't miss you, right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own, soon as I free up I'm about to pop up on your phone, like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, moonlight, all the niggas round me, right and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, two-turn baby girl, you know me,
I'm outside in it.
right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.